Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to add the inventory data of the remaining bicycle parts. Open the project. Click New. Here is the inventory data for brakes. Enter the name. The amount is 679 grams. Let's add the input materials. Search for aluminium rod alloy. The amount is 379 grams. It is used for brake mounts. The next material is synthetic rubber. The amount is 200 grams. It is used for blocks. The next material is steel. The amount is 100 grams. It is used for brake cables. The process used for brakes is wire drawing. The amount is 100 grams. Save the project. Now we will add inventory data for a pair of wheels. Enter the name. The amount is 2,800 grams for both wheels. The first input material is aluminium wrought alloy. The amount is 1,880 grams. It is used for rims. The next material is again aluminium wrought alloy. The amount is 150 grams. It is used for spokes. The next material is synthetic rubber. The amount is 270 grams. It is used for inner tire. The next material is again synthetic rubber. The amount is 450 grams. It is used for outer tire. The next material is nylon 6. The amount is 50 grams. It is used for rim type. The process used is arc welding for aluminium. The amount is 0.10 meters. It is used for welding aluminium materials. Save the project. Now we will add the inventory data for cardboard packaging. Enter the name. The amount is 3 kilograms. The input material is corrugated board box. The amount is 3,000 grams. Save the project. Now the inventory data for all the bicycle parts is completed. In the next video, we will link these parts with the different bicycle frames to create the final bike assembly. Subscribe for more videos.